Giselda, how you take so long to pick up your phone? Miss Giselda, you know hear what happened here today? Yes, the Minister of Agriculture, Mr. Flight Green, announced a 58 dog gone America and some come to Canada. Miss Giselda, I wonder if they really have to have visa. Because me they I think, look how long you want one little visa to come a foreign. And the dog then come get it before you. What you mean a foolishness me attack? If you think I lie me I tell, listen this. Listen, hold on.
In fact, the ministry facilitated the export of 58 dogs that were rescued through some of these missions. From Negril all the way, some of them to the US, some of them to Canada.
Giselda girl, so you did doubt me. You hear it from a horse's mouth. 58 dog from Jamaica to foreign. And then they in Canada ya too. Miss Giselda, but me there I think, you know, why couldn't it be for me two dog? Sophia and Wingy. And you see how Sophia white. She would have blended well with the snow up here, you know. But me I go continue to pray, you know, because God answer prayer. And me I go pray for you to Miss Giselda, because me I love you to get a visa to come up to Canada. You're going to experience a little foreign life. All right, Miss Giselda. We will talk. God be praised, ma'am. All right, ma'am. Dog come a foreign. I wonder if they need have visa.